Pre-primary KG2 mathematics. Pre-primary education, also known as KG2 or kindergarten, is the stage where children are prepared before entering class 1. In this level, the students are taught the basic concepts required for primary classes. Okay, Section A. In Section A, the first objective is that children should be able to read numbers from 1 to 100. They should also be able to count and write numbers. Teachers can ask questions from any range, for example, 50 to 60 or 61 to 80. And the child should be able to respond correctly within that range. Children must learn forward counting 1 to 10 and backward counting 10 to 1. They should also know numbers and words, meaning they must be able to spell numbers from 1 to 10. Once this is clear, teachers should assess students through small tests and practice exercises, including concepts like before, after, and between. After this, students are introduced to basic shapes, starting with the circle along with its spelling. Okay, the next step is teaching numbers from 11 to 20. At this stage, students should again practice count and write, forward counting, backward counting, numbers in words, spelling from 11 to 20. Once students are confident up to 20, they are introduced to tens and units. As these are now two-digit numbers, children are taught how to identify ones, units, and tens. After this, revision is conducted along with the ascending and descending order. Students learn how to arrange numbers in increasing order, ascending, and decreasing order, descending. Next comes identification of shapes, where students are introduced to another shape, the square. They are taught how to draw it and learn its spelling. Finally, an assessment is conducted. In this assessment, students should be able to read and write numbers from 1 to 20, write numbers in words, spelling, understand ascending and descending order, solve before, after, and between questions, and at the end, students are introduced to basic comparison concepts such as big, bigger, biggest. This completes section A.